Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. I hope you are liked, shared and commented on all my previous videos. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon for instant notifications and updates. In today's video, we are going to talk about the top 5 best bikes as per my perspective within the budget of 2 lakhs. So this video will be helpful for those who are looking for a bike within the budget of 2 lakhs, will be informative and useful. These are just according to my perspective. If you have any other ideas, even you can go for it, but these are the best bikes as far I have seen. Okay, so let's get into the video. So the first one is Royal Enfield Classic 350. So this bike, as you all know, that comes with a price range of somewhere between 1,80,000 to 2 lakhs. It has a vintage style and it goes well with for city use as well as for long rides. It's an amazing bike. It comes around, like including the accessories and other stuffs, it comes around 2 lakhs on road price. So currently in 2020 price, I guess, but because previously it was in a rate of between 1,30,000 to 1,50,000 like 2 years back, but now the price has been increased drastically. So yeah, this bike is also good in like around when it comes to mileage, it comes around 35 to 40 kmpl. As I have seen, a couple of friends of mine have been using this bike for the past couple of years. So these are the so this bike is one among them, which comes below the budget of 2 lakhs. The second one is Bajaj Dominar 400cc. One of the best touring bikes I have ever seen, and the color variants are really good. This gives a mileage of around 30 to 35 is what I've heard, and the price range is from 1,90,000 to 2 lakhs and goes up to 2,10,000 is also recent information that I've got from a friend of mine who's working in a showroom. And also this is best for touring purpose. For city purpose, I don't think so, most of them use it, but yeah, it comes with both city and touring purpose, and it's a really nice vehicle. You can dump a lot of luggage in this vehicle, just like a Royal Enfield. It's really nice, one of the best design that Bajaj had ever given. It's nice, you people can go for it if you're a person who's going for a long ride, and for city use as well, you can go for it. Good bike under this budget. So the third one is the KTM Duke 200, which was one of my favorite bikes and also a dream bike now as well. But now I have a couple of other bikes in my dream list. So yeah, Duke 200 comes around a cost of 1,80,000 to somewhere around 1,90,000 and goes up to 2 lakhs. But this bike is within 2 lakhs only, and it's a really nice bike. But when it comes to mileage, it gives a little bit of less mileage only, like around 25 to 30 if you throttle, it completely depends on the speed that you go. And yeah, this is also good for touring purpose. I'm not sure if it's good for touring purpose because it's not built for that. It's only built for people who are going on a track race or something. Like, you can throttle it well going stunts and those kind of bikes. I don't think so it works well for touring purpose, but yeah, people take it. It's all depending on you and how to use it. You can also go for it if you have any idea about, like, if you're a person who does stunts as well as uses it for city purpose and also for touring purpose. A great choice. The fourth one is R15 V3. One of the best model. The built-in quality is really nice, and the design, the color variants are just awesome. I love this bike because it just looks like a super bike. A clone version of super bike. It just looks like that. But then I don't tell it as a clone bike because I know a lot of people who are watching this video are a fan of R15. So actually in this bike, the mileage comes around 40 to 45 is what I've heard. And a couple of friends of mine have been using this bike, so I can give you a guarantee that it comes around 45 kmpl. And the price ranges start from 1,70,000 to 1,80,000. So a really good choice, but the only drawback is the cc. It's just 150cc, but then the power is really nice. So people who are interested in buying a bike for looks, and also in performance you can go for it because it's from a big brand such as Yamaha. So you can go for it without giving a second thought. You can go for it. So the last and the final bike is FZ250cc. Just an amazing bike for long rides, for touring purpose, and as well as for city purpose. The price range of this bike comes around 1,42,000, somewhere between 1,40,000 to 1,50,000, including the accessories. And the mileage also comes around 45 to 50 kmpl if you're going on an economy speed. Just an amazing bike, guys. You can go for it. You can dump a lot of things, and the bike has a good power. Good. And I had an idea to get this bike, but later just went to Bajaj Pulsar 180F because that's how the budget works. So yeah, these are the 5 best bikes which, as per my perspective. If you have any other ideas below 2 lakhs, you can go for it. I don't say no, but the bikes that I like. And if you find this video informative, go ahead and click on the share button and share it to your friends as well. Click on the like button. Why would you have a second thought on that? Click on the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, then only you'll get instant notifications and updates of what and all video that I post in my channel. And yeah, that's pretty much. Let's wait for another exciting video. Hope next video might be a bit interesting with another exciting topic. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Love you all. Signing off, Franklin.